If Blender is giving you an error when you try changing modes, don't worry, this is usually caused by a simple conflict rather than a major problem. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons Blender blocks mode changes and exactly how to fix them step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and troubleshooting videos. First, let's check whether Blender is busy. Blender won't let you switch modes properly if an active process is still running in the background. For example, if Blender is rendering an image or animation, the program can lock up certain actions until that task finishes. So before trying to change modes, look for any render activity and make sure nothing is still processing. Another thing to check is whether a script or add-on is running continuously. If you have a Python script looping in the background or an add-on that is still active, it can keep Blender busy and prevent the interface from responding the way it should. In that case, stop the script or disable the tool that is causing the issue, then try again. You should also make sure you are not stuck inside a modal operator. Modal tools are interactive tools like knife or bevel, and they wait for you to confirm or cancel the action before Blender will let you do something else. If you started one of those tools and haven't confirmed it yet, the tab key may seem like it is not working. To fix that, press enter or left click to confirm the operation or escape out of it first, then try switching modes again. Now let's move on to the next common cause, the object type itself. Blender can only enter edit mode or sculpt mode on objects that actually support geometry editing. If you accidentally selected an empty, a light, or a camera, Blender will not let you go into edit mode because there is nothing to edit on those object types. So if mode switching fails, look at the object you have selected and confirm that it is really a mesh or another editable object type. If it is a light, camera, or empty, simply select the correct mesh object instead. This is one of the most common reasons beginners think Blender is broken, when in reality the wrong object is selected. Another object-related issue is linked libraries. If the object was linked in from another Blender file, it may be read-only, which means Blender won't allow you to edit it normally. In that case, you need to make it local first. To do that, go to Object, then Relations, then choose Make Local, and select All. Once the object is local to the file, you should be able to edit it normally. Now, let's talk about the multi-edit conflict. If you have multiple objects selected and one of them is a different type, Blender can sometimes fail to enter edit mode for the group. For example, if you select both a mesh and a curve together, Blender may not know which one you want to edit, and the mode switch can fail. The easiest fix is to clear your selection first. Press Alt+A to deselect everything, then click only the exact mesh object you want to edit. After that, press Tab again. In most cases, Blender will now enter edit mode without any issue, because it is only dealing with one compatible object. So if you are seeing a Blender error changing modes, remember the 3 big checks. Make sure Blender is not busy, make sure the selected object type supports the mode you want, and make sure your selection is not causing a multi-edit conflict. Those 3 steps solve a huge percentage of mode switching problems. If you want more Blender troubleshooting tutorials, quick fixes, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if this one saved you time, leave a like to help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Blender tutorial.